Okay, 8.8 says write the equations in first term form. That's explicit. They should say in explicit form, right? We don't use first term. We say explicit form. Wait for that bell to finish. Okay, so A, clearly we see that, let me just rewrite it so I have more space. We see that it's going up by 1,500 each time, right? 1,500 each time. So I have to find the 0th term, which doesn't exist, this imaginary 0th term back there, by subtracting 1,500 from 500, right? So I get negative, I'll write it here, negative 1,000, right? So there's the 0th term, and there's my slope, right? So I could write T of n equals 1,500 n minus 1,000, right? 1,500 n minus 1,000. The next one for 8.8 is B, and let me make space. So for B, we could see that, I have space here. We're multiplying times 5 times 5 times 5, right? Okay. So that means to find this imaginary 0th term, I divide by 5. So 30 divided by 5 is 6, right? So there's the imaginary 0th term. And here's my multiplier. So these we have to remember. If I had wrote it this, y equals ab to the x, right? This is the 0th, and this is the multiplier, right? So when I write it as t of n equals, I need the 0th term, which is 6, times the multiplier, which is 5, to the nth power. So t of n equals 6 times 5 to the nth power.